Hello everybody, so in this video I am going to explain Codeforces round 894 rated for division 3. So first let us understand the problem statement. So the name of the problem is C. Koya the movie theater. So what problem said that there is a girl named Koya and there are total n days given to us. And what problem said that we will be given entertainment value of the movie which is premiered on nth day or ith day. Then what problem said that if for example if Koya go to watch movie on IRD, then next time she go to movie on the I2 day, then what we can do, then we can simply add the entertainment value of both the days, matlab means I1 plus I2. Then what I will do, I have to simply decrease d d multiplied by difference between the days which she have skipped watching the movies. For example, in this case, we have array like this 2, 3, 5, 4, 6. And the what user has said, what question has said that if she visit movie on index is 1, index is 3, then her entertainment value will be equal to I1, I1, and or initially, if she is going to if from starting from the array, if she hasn't watched any movie, and then the first movie she will be watching, then the latency for that movie will be equal to I1 or the ith value, whatever it will be. So for example, in this case, she watched the movie on 3 index and 1 index. Then the entertainment value for her will be I1 minus d into 1 because it's first day, then I3 minus d into 2 because first she went on the first day, then she went on 3 day, then difference between 3 and 1 is 2, then we simply decrease d into 2 from I3, then adding up all this we will be getting the answer. Now what problem said that we can choose at most m movies and we have to tell her what is the maximum entertainment value she can get among all the possible combinations of n movies. So our problem statement is clear too. Now let's begin to the problem solution. So what problem said that if I rewrite the equation like this is one and only the same thing because for I at a what is its value? AI minus d into I because it's the first value. Then then I am not decreasing anything plus I2 minus means I2 minus d into I2 minus I1 because first she went on I1 day, then she went on I2 day, then I will simply decrease d into I2 minus I1. Then for the last one it is uh, I3 and minus d into I3 minus I2. Then this is the whole equation which is given to you. Then what I have done, I have simply rewritten this equation like this because this is one and only the same thing. You can see I am simply taking the I common, then taking the minus G common. It is simply I1 I2 minus I1 I3 I2, and I hope this much is clear to you. Now next what I have to do, you can see these all are cutting out because there is I1, then I simply cut it out, there is I2, then I simply cut it out. The only thing remaining is I3, which means the problem is pretty much clear. You said how the problem is clear. Problem is clear in such a way that for every index I will choose maximum elements from that uh, for every I am choosing the maximum elements from total I indexes and multiplied by 3 and subtracting in from a maximum values, and the maximum of all these numbers will be my answer. For example, in this case you can see uh, for example in this case you can see if I am taking if I am taking at most 6 values, so top 3 values, so the sum of top values, so the maximum sum among these 6 this among so the maximum sum so the maximum sum I am getting by adding these by adding some numbers from these top elements would be 45 plus 1 plus 39 plus 11 will be equal to 96. Then my sum is coming to 96. Then I will simply decrease 6 because 6 is my d, multiplied by 6 because I'm checking in this subsequence which is of n size, multiplied by 6, which is equal to 96 minus 36 equal to 60. So this is the whole problem intuition. So what is problem intuition? Problem intuition is that from for every index I will choose the I will choose the top m positive numbers, then sum the all the top m positive numbers, and then subtracting d multiplied by ith number, d multiplied by I. And what is I? What I is that index from till which I am taking the maximum numbers. Then maximum of all these values will be my answer. So if I show you the implementation pretty much easy. I am simply taking my integer array. Wait a minute. Then I am simply taking my integer array. Then I am maintaining a sum and an answer, and also taking a mean heap. Then what I am doing, if my current value is smaller than 0, because it will never contribute to my answer, because it will always decrease my answer, then I simply continue. Then what I will do, if my size of priority queue is smaller than m, then I simply push that element in my priority queue and sum and add that number into my sum. But if my priority queue size is equal to m, then what I will do, I will simply check if my smallest element if my smallest element is smaller than my current value, then I will simply pop the smallest one and also decrease my sum and pop it from priority queue and sum the current value because it is greater than my smallest value. Because at all time I am always trying to take the maximum values. Then I will simply push it into my priority queue. Then my answer is always sum minus sum is sum. What is sum containing? Sum is containing maximum sum of the priority queue, which is containing all positive numbers and containing at most m numbers, minus d multiplied by I plus 1. What is I plus 1? I plus 1 is the size till which I am checking the maximum numbers, and maximum of all this will be my final answer. So I hope you understand the power of intuition. So that was it. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And till then, stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.